I'm not sure how to show how the air conditioner works. It just works. So your temperature, you can see down here, both temperatures. I have them linked right now. It says dual at the moment. Your temperature up. So let me just turn it way up. Okay, so that's high temperature as it's getting warm. 85 degrees, super warm. Go the other direction. So switched over to recirculation. AC is on, blowing up top here, so it's blowing cold. But there's really not much to show. Anyways, hit the auto. Auto works like it's supposed to work. You can manually set it also. I'm trying to remember how do we do that. There we go. So you can manually set your fan speed, or you can hit auto. It goes back to where it's supposed to go. I mean, it works.